Falcons franchise, where we take on the Seattle Seahawks. No Russell Wilson. They're 0-2. They're the same overall as us. This is our chance to get back and get in the win column. Because last week, I'm going to be honest with you, we barely lost. All right, we were hanging in there. You know, at the end of the day, it turned out to be 65-14. I don't know how it happened. Something happened, but either way, it was just another loss. You know, no big loss or anything like that. We didn't get destroyed. 65-14, not that bad. So I fired everyone. No, I'm just kidding. I mean, we're just gonna have to move on from that game. We're just gonna have to move on. Let's see. We have some players ready to negotiate. Who do we have to bring back? Caden Smith, our tight end that we signed. Calvin Ridley, who's not playing. Oh, I forgot about Calvin Ridley. That's right. He's actually suspended for gambling on the NFL. It's a big no-no. So they suspended him a whole year. So obviously can't play with him. I forgot about him. We might. I don't know if we're going to bring him back. Wish I could. Can I trade him? Rashawn Evans. Auden Tate, Isaiah Oliver, Nick Witkowski. Overall, we probably won't bring too many of these guys back. I don't think I'm going to try to bring anyone back yet. As let's check our weekly strategy here to see how we are going to approach the Seattle Seahawks. Let's see what we're going to do here. Our defensive focus is definitely going to be the inside run. We'll do full pads. Our offensive focus, I think, has to be throwing it short. And let's hope for no injuries here as we go into this Week 3 game against the Seattle Seahawks. Any injuries on offense? Let's see. Nope. Drake London gets extra points. No injuries. Defensively, Arnold Ebiketie, having quite a good rookie year, man. I think he's got three sacks. We're not winning any games, but we are building momentum. And we do have some upgrade points for Richie Grant, Drake London. Let's see what we're going to do with Richie Grant here. Man covered, speed, zone. I mean, really anything. Really anything. We'll go into zone coverage. +2 pursuit, +2 zone. Okay, I'll take that. So that brings up to a 75. Really a 76. And we'll do Drake London, who had the fluke touchdown, really. He caught it off a tip pass. Only catch of the game last week for 60 yards. But he does have an upgrade point, so what are we going to do with him? Not really a deep route runner. Short guy. Definitely want to work on the deep and spectacular. We'll go into playmaker, actually. I like playmaker. We get 2 awareness, 3 deep, 3 catching. Wow, what a great upgrade that was. 1 release. Great upgrade. 85 catching. Wow. What's our release now? 77. Could be better. And CPU will take care of the guy's name I can't pronounce. Alright, so let's jump in. I did change the sliders a little bit. I just made QB accuracy down, I think, to a 39, from 50 to 39. And pretty much all the offensive things I moved down a little bit. 38, 39. Because they scored 65 points on us last week. I mean, what do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? I had to move it down. But here we are at Lumen Field, taking on the Seattle Seahawks. Post Russell Wilson. Who will be their starting QB? As we are going to receive the ball, and it's raining in Seattle. Shocker. Definitely not going to take that out. Desmond Ridder, first official start. Of course, he came in relief of struggling Marcus Mariota when he also struggled in the game. But, I mean, if we're going to have a future with the current QBs, it'll be him. I'll tell you that right now. As we are going to throw to Kyle Pitts. Lower the shoulder. Not a lot. And we're going to run the ball here on 2nd and 9. 3 yards. And we really want to run the ball here in Seattle. Already having momentum. Just ridiculous. Oh my God. What was that? Battle of the Birds. Well, 3 and out on offense already, and that's not a good sign. Isaiah Oliver, great tackle. As they going to take the ball at, where are they? 33. Drew Lock. Drew Lock having a decent season. Not really slinging the ball for a lot of touches. But last week's game, we gotta bounce back heavy. We're gonna have to play good defense and good offense in order to make this, as DK Metcalf throws us off. Like we don't belong there. He is a monster, Jesus. That's upon Falcons. Let's go. It's our Falcon cry. Oh, I thought we intercepted that with Casey Hayward. Alright. Drew Lock out there slinging it. That was pretty good coverage by Casey Hayward. Still couldn't manage to do anything. So we'll take over middle linebacking duties here. Nice play by Deion Jones. Just got enough of him to have some help come in. And I guess we'll do Richie Grant back here. Try to prevent the tud. Maybe crash down for a run. Richie Grant makes the play, I think. Although he does get the first. Maybe it'll be Marlowe just in case DK over here gets fresh. And we get to him. Grady Jarrett, half a sack, and I think also Ebiketie was in on it, our rookie. Okay. All right. Marlowe. I like the safety. I like doing the safety just in case it's a run or a pass. Great play. 3rd and 20. That's what we're talking about right here. That's what I'm talking about. And we just got to make sure DK stays contained because he is a game wrecker. We'll take that. Settle for a field goal. Drew Lock, 4 for 4 for 51. They will not score a touchdown, unlike last week. We hold them to a field goal. That's a win for our defense after what happened last week. That's a win. I got to start going a little more around. See, I always run into my other guy. And we're going to get the ball back. Hopefully our offensive possession will turn more fruitful this time around. We just got to find a rhythm. We got to find something that works. I might change the playbook. Just maybe these plays just aren't suited to my skill set. Definitely don't want to do a QB run here. Should we do a wide receiver screen? I don't like any of it. Probably going to be a false start. Yeah, we were changing the play too much. That's on me. That's on me. Seattle still has momentum. Herbert up the middle. 2nd and 12. What looks good here? I guess we're just going to see what gets open. Drake London up the sideline. Great catch. Finally moving the ball. Drake London went up and got it. I don't know how we could have made that a touchdown. I'm happy he caught it, to be honest with you. Happy he caught it. So we got Kyle Pitts out front. Drops the ball. Okay. All right, Kyle. Don't do that, man. Come on, we're going to have a good game. Drake London, Arnold Ebiketie. 2nd round pick. Troy Anderson, 3rd round pick. Desmond Ridder, was he 4th or 5th? Wow. And we are going to pass again. Kyle Pitts. Just can't make that first guy miss. Can't seem to do that. 3rd and 9. Gonna need to convert here. Khalil Herbert just fighting for it. Just can't quite make it there. And where are we? At the 37? Let's go for it. Let's go up the middle and go for it. Kyle Pitts gets it. Nice play. Nice play, Falcon. That's what I'm talking about. We got to be more daring there. Kyle Pitts gets the ball. 1st down. There we go. And the thing, I was going to run it. I was going to run it, to be honest with you, but I didn't. Turned out to be way better of a play. I'm going to run to the left here. Herbert. Great run by Herbert. Great run by Herbert. I think this might be a Drake London touchdown if we play this right. Intercepted. Oh, I thought we had that. The Edwards. Oh, I thought for sure we had that. All right, so I think I should have threw it lower, I guess. I threw it too high. Drake London was also open, maybe in the back. Man. Unfortunate there. Unfortunate. Grady Jarrett trying to get a touch. Great play by Deion Jones for the TFL. Our defense has been playing very well so far in the 1st quarter. Very well. Very happy with them right now. Oh, I thought that might have been a pick. Throwaway by Drew Lock, and we're going to get the ball back here. All right, already a much more competitive game than last week against the Rams, which we've forgotten about. What happened last week? I don't know. You tell me. Up to the 40. All right. We can move the ball. We can move the ball. We've shown that. Now we just got to finish, not make those silly plays. We're only down by 3 to start the 2nd half. This is us. Can't get around anybody. Can't get around them. Khalil Herbert's just waiting to break one, I feel like. 2nd and 6. We're going to run again with Khalil Herbert. Maybe a screen to Herbert. I like the screen idea, actually. First down, good enough. First down's good. Kyle Pitts with another catch. Second down. Gonna run the ball here. And we just can't quite make it with the run, man. I think we can break one though. I feel like we're just barely missing some of these holes. There we go. Khalil Herbert up the middle. Great run. Great run. That's what we got to do. Control the tempo of the game. We run the ball. Falcons. Football. Franchise. Really a Giants fan in real life, but for this series, Falcons. What are we going to do here? Oh, I tried to throw it away. Couldn't. Jake Matthews, that's great. That's not good. Holding his shoulder. Man, that sucks. Hopefully he's okay. Just can't get past the first level, man. And we're going to have to throw it here. And threw it to nothing, pretty much. Threw it to nothing. Dislocated shoulder. Won't be able to return. Awesome. And we are going to try for the field goal here. Not a lot of wind. Oh, I think we missed it. Man, god dang it. That's really the first time I've had to kick in a long time, so I'm a little rusty at it. That stinks. Jesus. I had a chance to tie it up, just couldn't do it. That's got to be bad. That's got to be embarrassing on us. And A.J. Terrell jumps the route. Another pick six by A.J. Terrell. That's what I'm talking about. Look at him. Best player on our team, by far. Offense or defense. He's going to have to do that. Instead of 3, we get 6. We make this kick. We don't make this kick. All right, only up by 3. At least we're winning. This is the first time we've been winning. It's Drew Lock will take the field here. And if you're enjoying these videos, make sure to like and subscribe. I'm trying to build the channel. I love Madden, love playing, and I just... Oh, and the football's on the ground! They pick it up. Kind of have to be a little quiet. Got a little excited there. And we intercepted again with A.J. Terrell. What is Drew Lock doing? And it's another touchdown by A.J. Terrell. Back-to-back pick sixes by A.J. Terrell, who might go up to Superstar X Factor. Just out of nowhere, probably. Can we make this? We do. 13-3. We're up by 10. Seahawks are losing. I can't believe it. Our offense has yet to score, but our defense has scored 13 points. Wow. Who would have thought it? Drew Lock just, trying to force feed it to DK Metcalf, and A.J. Terrell's having none of it. A.J. Terrell is having none of it right now. Shot Penny. Nice run. A.J. Terrell's licking his chops, waiting for another ball to come his way. First down. Read that. 2-yard gain. Nice play. Nice play. See what Richard Grant wants to do here. Nice. 3rd and 5. That's what I'm talking about, defense. Our defense really stepping it up this game. Really enjoying our defensive play. Nice. Short. Great play by the defense. Atlanta defense coming to play. Said that already. But I didn't change. I don't think I changed any of the defensive sliders. Maybe I might have to change them if the game continues to go so well. Bump them back up. Maybe they're a little more sensitive this Madden, because in previous Maddens, you could bump them all the way down to 25 and you'd still be, playing the same game basically. So we're still trying to figure it out. As Kyle Pitts is going to get that ball. Wish I could have broke that tackle. And we need to get Desmond Ridder some confidence. We got to get him the ball. Got to get him some TDs. So we throw that to Kyle Pitts, who still can't break a tackle. But this is by far his best performance, our offensive best performance. This is hopefully what we can bring to the table. Khalil Herbert gets elbowed in the mouth. In the mouth. Oh, 2-minute warning. Didn't see that coming. All right. Let's see. Nope, don't like that. What about this? Let's try this play. Desmond Ridder just gets hammered there. They don't release that fast on that play. I don't like that. Don't like that at all. Khalil Herbert going to get the ball? Yeah, I'd run it. I'd run it with Khalil. Didn't really work out. Got 2 yards, but hey. It's almost the end of the half. Didn't want to risk throwing a pick there. So we are going to punt this ball away. And our defense has been playing so well, I think we're going to stop them. As they get to the 22. So I don't think they're going to be able to score. I mean, unless they start playing like they did that first drive, but I don't think they're going to be able to score on us. To the sideline. Drew Lock. Looks like our stat lines. Metcalf. Drew Lock had the deep ball. I tried to get back there with Marlowe. I just ran a little bit too late. A little bit too late once I noticed it. That's on me. That's on me. Wide open. Wide open in the end zone. Noah Fant. Did not think they were going to score, to be honest. I thought we were going to be able to stop them there. But instead it's going to be 10-13 as our lead shrinks. Only up by 3 now. Wow. That was quick. And we are going to have to return this one. So we get decent field position. That's a 25. Khalil Herbert actually averaging 4.3 yards per carry today. That's not bad. Not bad at all. So let's do a screen. How about a screen? How about a screen? Khalil Herbert with a nice screen. And we'll call a timeout there. That was enough. That was can't speak. That was successful enough to warrant us calling a timeout. And this hopefully will be also. So hopefully we can get this ball break London, but no, we're going to knock it off to Khalil Herbert. Call a hurry up. Oh, I threw that too hard. That was wide open. That was going to go all the way. God, dog, dude. That was on me. I panicked. Panic threw. It was a panic throw. Intercepted. What a. I'm so mad at myself right now. We're trying to give this game away, it seems like. God. Pick 6. We know what that's like. And just like that, we're down by 4 going in to the half. Can't believe it. Can't believe it. And we're just going to run the ball here. 5 seconds left. You know, I'm not going to risk too much. Get Drake London in motion. Little Herbert shoots up. And that's the end of the first half. We didn't play bad. Didn't play awesome. Definitely a lot better towards the middle of the first half. We're going to focus on throwing it short. We got to get better. And Drew Lock's really been hurting us with the deep ball. We got to make sure DK Metcalf don't get behind us. Because if he does, if he's even, he's leaving. Nice tackle to the 16. That's what I'm talking about. We'll get Richie Grant out here. Evans with the tackle, short of the first, 2nd and 2. Drew Lock trying to have all the success he can. As Walker stumbles for the first down. And it's a completion. Of course it is. Marlon Davidson's injured on the play. Thought for sure that was going to be a run. Should have been so obvious. But it wasn't going to be. He overthrows it. I mean, what are we doing out here? Bruised ribs. Alright. We'll get someone else in. I mean, we're still in this game. We can't give up. We cannot give up. Oh, Ebiketie can't get pressure. Bring him down. 3rd and 2. And that was not successful whatsoever. First down, Kenneth Walker. You know, we're bending but not breaking, but eventually they're going to score at this rate. I mean, second and 7. Third and 5. If we can hold them to a field goal, that would be awesome. Awesome. Do it out of bounds. Go ahead and get rid of it, Drew Lock. Try for the field goal here. Hopefully we can get a block. That'd be heaven sent. Not going to happen. But at least it's better than a touchdown. We're only down by 7. So we can do this. We can do this. Atlanta Falcons got an uphill battle as a whole team, because They're just as bad as we are, and they're kind of having their way with us sometimes. Not all the time, but sometimes they're having our way with us. Their way with us. Auden Tate gets the first down. Game a little laggy right there for some reason. Oh, if I could have just got through the hole. We're going to keep on the run, man. It has been pretty successful for us, besides when it hasn't been. Oh, thank God that wasn't a pick. What a stupid throw. We're going to be forced to punt. Forced to punt. Shot Evans with a big hit. All right. We're going to have to turn the ball over. I need A.J. Terrell to come back out, start seeking the ball, and get us back in this game. Because our offense has not done it. Offense has literally not scored a point. It's all been our defense. So we're going to use our Grady Jarrett here, try to get some internal pressure. A.J. Terrell. He just had separation. We couldn't catch up. DK Metcalf with another huge catch. And we are starting to bleed. Ooh, as that could have been an interception, but brick hands over here didn't catch it. How was that not an interception? 3rd and 4. If we can hold them to another field goal, I mean, at this point, that's all we're trying to do. Number 13. I don't even know who that is. Who is 13? Cole Beasley? Who is that? Marlon Humphreys? Jesus. Not Marlon Humphreys. Anthony Humphreys? Adam Humphreys? Adam. First down. Noah Fant just keeps him out of the end zone, but I mean, what are we doing here? They're just standing so far off. What is going to happen? This is going to be a touchdown for sure. Touchdown. Just like that, our 10-point leads quickly vanished to now being down by, I don't know, 17. All right. We're going to have to change something up. Our tempo on offense is stalled. We'll do a fair catch. No chance of returning it anyways. Nice play by Brian Edwards. And maybe we just have to be aggressive. Maybe that's it. Be aggressive. Be. Nope. Couldn't hit Khalil Herbert. Chernow injured by the Seahawks, though. And we will try to run this to pick it up. Khalil Herbert gets the first. Nice play, Khalil Herbert. As he's been playing pretty well for us. As he has space. Nice spin move. Khalil Herbert, best run of the series. Nasty spin move there. Nasty spin move on Jamal Adams. And can we actually take a look at it? Khalil Herbert. What a play. Kyle Pitts comes down with it. Had to throw it quick there. No one was covering Kyle Pitts. I mean, you're not going to cover Kyle. I'm throwing the ball to him. I mean, Jesus. What are you, crazy? You know, we keep running the ball, man. Keep them honest. I don't know what that means, but we're going to keep them honest. Kyle Pitts drops it. Second drop of the day, Kyle. What's going on? I was just singing your praises. Second drop of the day by Kyle Pitts. So we're going to do a screen here. Seems to be working for us so far. Nice play by Herbert. And Herbert is just giving his all this game. And it's the fourth quarter, and we really need to step on it here if we want a chance of winning this game. And we're going to have to throw. We're just taking a lot of time off the clock, even though we're having success. I mean, maybe we shouldn't. That was just a bonehead play. That's not the button I was going to press. Oh. That was not what I was going to press. Now here we are. Now here we are. God, that was such a promising drive. All of our promising drives just get blown up at the end. Lorenzo Carter. 3rd and 6. If we can stop him here, try to get him the... Mike Ford got to tackle him in the open field. Did we get him? 4th and 1. Please don't go for it. Please don't go for it. Thank you. Thankfully, we were able to stop him there before they got to field goal range because... No, I don't know. I don't want anything bad happening, so I just fair caught it. And we just have to complete the ball. That's what I want. I want completions. Doesn't matter how many yards we get, as long as we get completions. It's Drake London stiff arms. Like a little Herbert here, Kyle Pitts. Oh, what a play. What a play. And we're going to run it up the middle here to pick up the first. Keep this drive alive. And Khalil Herbert does just that. Drake London with another catch. Drake London with 53 yards this game. Kyle Pitts. Drake London, nice catch. That's what I'm talking about here. See, this is where we got to play smart. This is where we always screw up. We're in scoring range and we do something stupid. Let's focus on not doing something stupid. We just got to throw it away. I know I had Kyle Pitts. Would have been intercepted, guaranteed, if I would have thrown it. So we're just going to throw it away. Intercepted. There we go. Classic us. In scoring range, and we just let it slip away. Classic Falcons right now. And I thought for sure we were going to score on that drive. Thought for sure. Tyler Lockett just gets by A.J. Terrell. Drew Lock's just having a game. See if we can get some pressure here with Arnold Evacati. A.J. Terrell tried to jump it. Tried his best. Figured he'd repeat the magic from the first half. Couldn't quite do it. Couldn't quite do it there. And that's a touchdown. Kenneth Walker. Man. Oh. I hate that, man, because I feel like we're playing better than 33-13, but we're definitely not. 34-13. Man, this is rough. Our offense has yet to score a point. Oh, if we could have just got past him, I think we would have had the touchdown there. Khalil Herbert just gets blown up. They're all over Kyle Pitts. Khalil Herbert gets the catch. And that's a sack. Trying to get it. Wasn't even really noticing anybody around me, honestly. Nice play by Auden Tate. What a play that was. What a play that was. Let's take a look at that. That was Desmond Ridder fit that ball in with three defenders, four defenders even in the screen, three defenders by him. Auden Tate even has a run after the catch. Wow. What a play that was. 2-minute warning. The game's out of reach. This is purely just to get us reps on offense we clearly need. Purely to get us reps that we clearly need. And that almost was intercepted. I would like not to turn the ball over anymore. So maybe I can run it. Khalil Herbert still going. Pulled down from behind. 3rd and 2. Herbert gets the first down. We just gotta play our style of football. That's an interception. What was that? Why did I throw that? Oh, I make these dumb mistakes at the end of drives. This is annoying. I gotta stop. I gotta stop that. Great play by Richie Grant there. And they're gonna run the ball again. For sure. Richie Grant, another big hit. Trying to force the ball out of there, calls a turnover. But this is the last play of the game. They won't call another one. Your final will be 34-13, our third loss of the year, courtesy to Seattle Seahawks. And even worse, our offense did not score any points. It was our defense that had us in this game at all. Marcus Mariota, 5 interceptions, no touchdowns. Khalil Herbert had a decent game. 20 attempts, 88 yards, 4.4 carry, 4 broken tackles, not bad. Kyle Pitts again, 7 catches, 50 yards. Khalil Herbert had 7 catches. Drake London had 69 yards. I mean, we're just not doing great. Not doing great. Tackles, Deion Jones. 2 tackles for loss by Ebiketie. Half a sack by Ebiketie and Jarrett. 2 picks for A.J. Terrell, along with 2 touchdowns by A.J. Terrell. Another loss. I mean, what can you say? What can you say? We got our asses kicked that game. Kyle Pitts has an upgrade point. Run block. I just get his possession up. He had a couple drops. Today. A lot of points here. 2 impact, 2 block, 2 medium route, spin move, short route. Center will let the CPU do the center, and yeah, not quite as bad of loss as last week, but they still kicked their ass pretty good. Let's take a preview of what we got next week coming up. The Cleveland Browns, and it doesn't get any easier for us. You know, another superstar X factor on defense we're facing. Wow, and it doesn't get any easier. We got the Bucks, 49ers, and the Bengals coming up. Wow. Let's see if A.J. Terrell won. We did. A.J. Terrell, defensive NFC rookie. Nope, just player. Defensive player of the week for the NFC. A.J. Terrell, 2 picks, 2 touchdowns. Of course, Leonard Floyd had 5 sacks on us. Alvin Kamara, of course, because he played us. And QB check and evaluate the start of your QB season. We're definitely going to have to do that. Definitely going to have to do that. Can't believe A.J. Terrell doesn't have a breakout challenge, though. That's crazy. And that'll do it for this week. Thanks for watching. Be sure, if you like the videos, to subscribe and like. Trying to grow the channel. Trying to do this all the time. I really love doing it. I love football. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Next week we play the Browns. They're way better than us. I mean, we gotta try to do something. So, peace.